Hi everyone, my name is Peter.
And my name is Faith.
And we're here to welcome you to Regent University's campus.
Join us as we show you around.
Here we have our university library.
Dedicated in 1984, the University Library provides students access to libraries nationwide, with over 320,000 printed volumes on site, including our special collections rooms featuring rare documents such as a copy of the U.S. State Code autographed by John Adams in 1796. Fun fact, Regent is also home to the largest, most complete law library in the Hampton Roads. Our library is a go-to spot for students to study and discover more during their academic journeys.
You'll find many students spending most of their time here at the D.D. Robertson Student Center, named after the late wife of Regent's founder, Dr. Pat Robertson. The Student Center is home to some of our students' favorite amenities. 77 Coffee House is our on-campus coffee shop offering handcrafted drinks and delicious pastries. The 77 Lounge or patio are perfect spots for hanging out with friends or getting some homework done. Still hungry? Regent also offers a counter service restaurant right here on campus. Experience great community and maybe your new favorite meal. You can order a la carte or sign up for one of our university meal plans. Some other popular features of the Student Center are the Regent gift shop, a game room, and the Center for Student Happiness, your go-to office for career, academic, and life coaching.
Standing tall as a symbol of Regent's spiritual life, the Shaw Chapel hosts many of our campus events.
Such as our weekly university chapels, our student-led on-chapel service, worship nights, and more. Next to the chapel, you'll find the prayer garden, which serves as one of our many picturesque spots available for students and faculty to pray and meditate in the midst of their busy days.
The building you see behind us is our communication building, which houses the School of Communication and the Arts,
along with offering many world-class features for our students.
like the D.D. Robertson Theater, modeled after Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C.
Or full studio spaces for our film students.
Or state-of-the-art animation and production labs.
Or multiple spaces for music majors to learn and practice. Robertson Hall is one of our main buildings for on-campus classes. It is known for its beautiful lobby featuring unique architecture.
Our primary on-campus housing is known as the Commons. The dorms are available for our traditional undergrad students.
Living on campus means you have the perk of being near all the fun. Students can enjoy features such as volleyball and pickleball courts, fire pits, shuttle services, and various student activities.
Our campus is conveniently located in the heart of Virginia Beach, providing easy access to Virginia Beach oceanfront, Williamsburg, many shopping and entertainment opportunities, and more.
Regent is one of the fastest growing Christian universities, and it's ranked amongst the top in the nation.
Regent University offers record-breaking athletics and vibrant campus life. From career-shaping classes in Robertson Hall to show-stopping moments in the communication building, Regent University is designed for Christian leaders to find their calling.
People often tell us that the moment they stepped onto campus, they knew Regent is the school for them. Experience our beautiful campus for yourself.
Schedule a visit today.